Okay, so we are going to make a quick keychain in Fusion360. We're going to export that. We're basically going to project that into a sketch. We're going to export that as a DXF file, which is a type of vector graphic file. We're going to pull that into Adobe Illustrator just so we can change the colors of certain things. Those colors are going to tell the Glowforge, the laser cutter, what to cut, what to score, and what to engrave. That's our goal. So first things first, I'm going to create a new component, as we do whenever we start making something new. I'm going to create a new sketch. Let's put them on the bottom plane because I feel like sketching on the bottom plane today. I'm going to make this super simple. Grab a keychain looking thing. I'm going to throw a loop in here, make it that big or so. Let's pull in, oh, something fancy. Let's do an ellipse. Why not? All right, and I want to move that. On keyboard. Let's move this over here. So I have an ellipse. And let's say I want to engrave my name or some letters in there. Let's throw some text right here to here, and type Jasinski. All right, obviously that's too big. That's all right. The height we can control here. Let's make that 5 millimeters. Yeah, that works. Okay, great. So I have an ellipse, I have Jasinski, I have all of the circle. This will be cut out. Great. So this is a sketch, and really that's all. Technically, it's all I need. You might have a 3D model already that you can see. Quick announcements. There'll be a basketball meeting after school tomorrow for anyone interested in trying out Woodley High School. We're going to extrude. 114.1. We're announcing this today so that anyone who's interested can arrange their ride for tomorrow. Thank you. And if you notice, once you extrude something, the sketch goes away. Sorry about that announcement. We're just going to plow right through it. You could always turn that sketch back on if I wanted to do all of that. And let's say we're going to extrude this, but extrude it only 0.05 inches. And we're going to extrude the letters. Oh, I can't click the letters separately. So I think I need to go into the sketch and say explode text. When I explode the text, that's going to break it into actually shapes and lines, and that I can extrude. That I'm sure about. So finish that sketch again. So now I have letters I can point to and look at. Great. So extrude. And I want to get to the letters. Let's hide the body. That's it. So the body was in front of it. So I should have extruded the letters first, or extruded the other direction. That'll work too. Let's make this 0.08 inches. Great. And if I turn the other body back on, boop, there we go. So I have something that looks like this. Simple keychain. It has my name on it.